I want to talk to you directly about what people want from my 800 or so homes that I've remodeled. I think you want a dream kitchen, and I want to define what a dream kitchen is to me. It means that you have great functionality, much improved over what you had before. It means it's very aesthetic, very beautiful kitchen. It's very easy to maintain and easy to use. And you have bragging rights, what I call bragging rights. You have the ability to have a friend or family member come over and look at your kitchen and go, wow, what a kitchen. That's what you really want. And I think you also want to have a kitchen that works for you. And it's got all the latest bells and whistles like soft closed doors and the greatest tough finishes that we have today. And something that you can be proud of and it'll last for years and years and years without any maintenance, without any trouble, and the finish stays good, and you can just feel proud and live comfortably in that kitchen. I think that's what you want.
People want efficiency. They watch TV nowadays and see a whole house remodels happening in 3 or 4 days. And even though they know it's TV, they are left with the idea that you can be very efficient about running this type of business, which you can be. We use very sophisticated project management software. We don't start a job unless we know we can be there every day. We share the planning with you, and you know what's going to happen, and you're going to get a beautiful kitchen delivered to you in a record time with as little impact on your life as possible. Who wouldn't want that?
The next thing I want to discuss with you is how do we get what you want? And it starts with really good planning. We have professional planners that actually plan all the cabinets, their sizes, their styles, all the functions you want. We do a very detailed estimate of your project so that we know exactly what has to be done in what sequence. We know exactly what the costs are. We hire professionals. We spend a lot of time recruiting people that are good at what they do and they care about you and care about the job.
We don't start a project unless we know exactly what's going to happen when, and unless we know that we're going to be able to be there every day until it's done. The only time we're not there is during the countertop manufacturing period, and we actually offer a temporary countertop service where we hook up a sink and you're able to function, have a functioning kitchen while you're waiting for your countertops to be manufactured. So it's just caring. It's looking at it with some savvy and going, how can I make this easier on my customer, and how can I make it efficient for everybody that's involved in doing the work?
One of the things that really helps us achieve efficiency is they specialize just in kitchens. Our installers will commonly be installing 2 kitchens a week. And our remodelers are also focusing on kitchens, so they're also very experienced in what they're doing. And another factor is that we don't hire a whole bunch of different trades. We use a small number of people, usually 1 or 2, that pretty much own your project. If we hire a bunch of trades of different types, we can have delays in waiting for them for various projects or various things. And we don't want you waiting. We want you to get in and out. That's one of the things I know you want. You want us to get out of your life. So we hire these people, we train them, and then we just keep them on the job working every day, day in and day out. Another factor that really affects the schedule is we use pre-finished cabinets for the most part. We use cabinets like IKEA that have all the bells and whistles like soft closed doors, and they've got great hardware. They've got all the things that you'd want in a kitchen. And they're available. They're right here in the Austin area. And they are in Dallas if you're working in Dallas. And they're available so we can go pick up a part if we need a spare part or a damaged part. That helps a lot to have something that's already ready to go. And you don't have to do the finishing work in the house, where you're spraying and getting a big mess of painting and stuff going on there. You can put them together and they're done when you put them together. And that makes a huge difference. We also install click cabinets from a company that makes American-made cabinets here. And we also do some custom cabinets if that's what you want. We'll do whatever kind of cabinet you like, but we prefer pre-finished cabinets. That gives us a lot of efficiency. If you combine all these factors together, then we get a really efficient program. We just go from A to B. We start on time, we get the job done, we keep doing it until it's done. So that's how we do it.
The cost efficiency with which we deliver it is passed on to you. If you do some research, you'll find the average kitchen remodel may run, between $35,000 and $50,000. And the fact is that there are thousands of people with kitchens that are 35 years and older that really need to get something new. And many of those people do not want to spend $50,000 on a kitchen remodel.
Well, it's not going to cost all that much. You might be thinking, with a 20-year-old kitchen, it's going to be $50,000 or something like that. In reality, our typical kitchen runs about $15,000 to $25,000 for complete remodel. And that's quite affordable for most people. And if you'll give us a chance, we'll give you an exact estimate that will let you know exactly before we start how much it's going to be.
The benefit of dealing with us is you're going to deal with a company that knows what they're doing.
And I'll tell you another thing that's really important is we care about you. We care about your home. We care about how the product looks. We care about that you like it when it's done. And we like it. We want to be proud of what we do. And we want you proud of your kitchen. And all those things add up to we're a good team to work with.
So let's get started on your dream kitchen. Give us a call today.
We're going to deliver your kitchen on budget. We're going to deliver it on time. We're going to do a great job. You're going to be happy with it. You're going to be proud of what you get. And we're going to be proud. And in the end, we're going to just do you a really fine job. So call us. We really want your business. We want to service you well. So give us a call.